Hello, in this video we're gonna check the camera megapixels difference on each device in Samsung Galaxy S24 series. And to do this we'll need to visit our website hardreset.info, then find each of the device. So here's Samsung Galaxy S24, here's S24 Plus and S24 Ultra. Then we can scroll down to multimedia and you can see camera megapixels right here, and that's for rear camera. And also you can see the front camera, and it's 12 megapixels on both S24 and S24 Plus. The same is with Ultra. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.